The ScanSnap iX1500 is the smarter way to work, whether you're in the office or at home. But what does the smarter way to work really mean? Well, at ScanSnap, we think it means having the technology to ensure your workspace is more productive, more agile and more collaborative than ever before. Here are 5 ways the iX1500 helps you to do just that. First, the iX1500's one-touch technology completely transformed your scanning experience. Instead of scanning a document and choosing what you want to do with it every time, now, after your first setup, you simply scan and then immediately get on with what really matters to you. And the iX1500 is home to everyone. One touch screen with large color-coded buttons means multiple users can personalize it to suit their exact needs. And with direct Wi-Fi connection to desktop or smart devices, this means countless possibilities for everyone in your team. It also gives you amazing new levels of control. ScanSnap Home software lets you preview, manage, tag, search and retrieve documents effortlessly, while ScanSnap Cloud automatically recognizes photos, receipts, business cards and other documents, allowing you to scan straight to one of up to 4 different cloud locations, dependent on document type. And the best part is, you won't even need to adjust the settings. The iX1500 also adapts to you. While processing and sorting your documents, learning how you work, it will even suggest file names, saving you time. And finally, true to its market-leading heritage, the iX1500's outstanding design delivers a fast, reliable experience every time that's ready when you are. Just lift the cover. The ScanSnap iX1500. It's the smarter way to work.